Good morning. Today we will discuss the inspection of castings. The inspection of castings after cleaning is necessary to determine the presence of any defect not readily visible. So, following are the various methods of inspection. So, first it is a process inspection, second visual inspection, and third dimensional inspection. Now, in process inspection, inspection done while parts are being processed. This is helpful to detect defect at the start and allow the corrections. So this is an preventive act. Next is visual inspection. So in this, castings are visually inspected to check the cracks, dirt, blowholes, metal penetration, shifts, runouts, etc. So it is the simplest and most fastest inspectional methods. It is most commonly employed, usually good to check surface defects and fails to identify internal defects. So this method, it is not useful to identify internal defects. Next is dimensional inspection. So geometric dimensions of castings are checked by means of measuring instruments such as plug and snap gauge, height and depth gauge, go and no go gauges, etc. By checking dimension, we can decide that whether any change in the dimensions of the pattern and core box is needed. So before castings are to be machined, dimensional inspection it is done. So castings are placed on a surface plate or surface table with angle measuring instruments. Various measuring instruments are employed for a first set of castings so as to standardize subsequent castings. Now we will see the various testing methods. So different testing methods are pressure testing, destructive testing, and non-destructive testing. Now in pressure testing, these tests are carried out on those castings which convey or carry liquids or gases. These castings are checked for pressure tightness and leakage. In water pressure test, the casting is held under certain pressure of water, that is a working pressure. The outer surface of casting must be dry so that leakage can be checked. In air pressure test, a soap solution is applied on the surface of the casting. When the casting is subjected to air pressure, bubbles will appear on the surface, showing the place of leakage. So this is a pressure testing method. So casting that is used for containing or conveying liquids, gases. So it is subjected to pressure testing. So it is tested for any leaks through their walls. Next is destructive testing. So destructive testing includes picking up a few sample castings, cutting them into pieces at the points where defects are suspected, and then examine their surfaces and properties that are examined. So this test is done causing harm to the casting, that is by destroying it. That casting it is destroyed. So it is no use again. Various tests include fatigue test, compression test, creep test, etc. So that is regarding the destructive testing. So castings that are destroyed for the analysis or the testing. Next is non-destructive testing. Here the parts to be tested are inspected for internal defects and surface defects without destroying the component. So inspection it is done without destroying the casting. So various methods available are liquid penetrant test, that is LPI, magnetic particle test MPI, X-ray radiography XRR, ultrasonic testing, eddy current test, gamma ray radiography. So these are the various non-destructive tests. Only we will discuss regarding the three tests, that is liquid penetrant, magnetic particle and X-ray. Now in liquid penetrant test, so these are the steps in liquid penetrant test. So surface preparation. So surface that to be examined, it is prepared. Then penetrant application. Then the dye material or penetrant, it is applied on a surface that to be checked or that to be inspected. Penetrant dwell. Then excess penetrant removal. So after applying the penetrant, so excess penetrant, it is removal. Developer application, indication development, inspection and clean surface. So that penetrant that is applied, that seeps into the surface cracks. So after drying of the component, that penetrance that will be out through the cracks. So that is the inspection of the surface cracks. That test is called the liquid penetrant test. Then magnetic particle inspection. So this method is used for ferrous materials. The casting to be inspected is magnetized and finally ferromagnetic particles are applied on it. When the current it is passed, the particles are concentrated around the defect. So it is the most satisfactory method used to find surface and subsurface defects. It is quick, cheap and very sensitive. Can only be applied to ferrous materials like steel, cast iron, etc. Next is X-ray radiography. So radiographic inspection, X-ray or gamma ray are used for inspecting internal defects of a casting. The rays are passed through the test piece and the intensity of the transmitted rays is recorded on a photographic film. The internal cracks or defects will appear on the film as darker areas. So this is regarding surface all the defects. Thank you.